Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. Hi. Today we are going to see how I implemented these colors which looks like a heat map. Usually it also looks like lowest to highest or vice versa. Let's see how it's done. It's the same data but with no color in its data. Let's first select the range of data where we want to implement this color formatting. Now we will select the option Color Formatting from Home tab. We will select color scales and it will give us options to choose from. There's the color format which is implemented in our first table. And that's how we use color formatting using color scales. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.